thing I noticed when I was watching her videos that the audio is really good. Like you can hear us very well.
Really?
Yeah. And I was like, oh wow, you like it sounds like we're talking directly into it.
Okay, good.
So welcome back. It's been a little while.
Show them your like new setup.
Yeah. So new developments. I turned 18.
She's
Yeah. So coquette.
she's 18. I'm still 16.
Wait, Rue? Oh wait, I forget that you turned 17. That's so crazy. You're like my little baby. So as we suffered through calculus, this is my homework. Yay.
That's the right answer.
And finish as usual.
I want to braid my hair again.
Yes, queen.
Like,
This is really
don't
good.
want to.
It's the berry.
I have to shower
This is
tonight
lemon
anyways.
blackberry.
Just too hot today.
The three on there.
I looked so good yesterday.
What's the right?
That's not me.
Oh, is that Michael?
I'm not sure what number that is.
That's
79.
79, Michael?
That's 90.
Let's take a look.
Michael's 79 over there.
7 minutes left.
57. Yeah, thank you.
Dang, that's kind of
Thanks a
crazy.
lot, Katie.
Yeah, but I was
Wake up, Katie.
I looked so good yesterday. Like my makeup was like makeup-y. My hair it was like freshly straightened. I was like, wow. And now today, like it's just not. It's
I
just
had to take my Who's Who picture yesterday. So I was wearing like a cute little sweatshirt with like a collar. It just felt so good. And because it was Jarius and I just like so much better than him. And we were talking to Z about it. And I walked in, she goes, yeah, she is dressed better than you. It's like, period.
And now I'm just like a bum.
Me too, for real.
Today I just didn't feel like doing it. I'm so tired.
Yeah.
I was like this morning. I was like with I was with my man, and
You don't have to show the double check.
we went to first period, and then after first period, he was like, "You don't have to be rude just because
You don't
you're
have-
tired." I was like, "What?" And he was like, "You're being mean to me." I was like, "Oh, I'm so sorry." I was like, "Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry."
Hey! I said you're like 5 times.
Sorry.
And Ray was like, do you want me to talk? It doesn't say to plug back in, so that's not part of the problem. It's a good way to read it. Is that what you're talking about, checking back in?
No, I'm talking about, like, you see over there? Yeah, so, wait, I'm so sorry, Alex, could you, like, move your head?
Can I explain?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
There you go.
So, what I did first is I subtracted the x over and then multiplied both sides by dx so that I could separate them. And then I integrated both sides, took the 5 out, so it's 5y squared over 2. Took the negative out, and then just x cubed over 3 plus c over here. And then I made them have, I multiplied this side by 3 over 3 so they could both have 6, and then that by 2 over 2. And then I multiplied everything by 6 because multiplying a constant by 6 is still a constant. And then it's just
Right.
15y squared plus 2.
Yeah, they don't like fractions.
Yeah,
But if
okay,
you
never
have
mind, I
the
don't
one
have a
before,
question.
15y squared over 6 equal to 2x cubed over 6, that's okay. That's okay. I mean, and the one before that one, actually, the 5y squared over 2 plus x cubed over 3, you can left it that way. It's fine. It's fine. Even the one before that is acceptable, right? It's still an equation, right? Involving x and y, right? It's not pretty, but it works, right?
Yeah.
If you differentiate that, you get back to the, yeah, fine. Now, they don't like fractions. Nothing answer is fractions, right?
I just forgot that if you multiply a constant by any number, it's still a constant. It's not 6 times the constant. So I was like, where the frick did the 6 go?
None of these answers are fractions, so they're being picky about the fractions.
I feel like you think so stupid.
All right,
No,
yeah.
definitely got the
I would
problem
think
right.
that's biological.
Yeah.
17.
It's so hard being a girl.
Not even fractions.
Propel,
17,
sponsor
17,
us.
yeah.
Yes.
So find the particular solution. In other words, it's the same thing as the numbers 1 through 14, only difference is we have initial
I wish
condition,
we
right?
could like screen
So in
share,
17, I'm
because,
going to
like,
the answer.
Right, they should watch us do it.
17, we have y times quantity x plus 1 plus a y prime is equal to 0, and their initial condition, of course, is
Oh, no.
y of negative 2 is equal to positive 1. So
That's
zoom
not
this
what
out
I'm
of
looking
HR. Zoom away, 17 right there. So 17 is right there. So basically what you do is you separate them, right?
Okay,
You separate them here like this, right? That the y is on the left side and x is on the right. You, dy is dy over dx, right? d prime is dy over dx, right? Y prime is dy over dx. So I would rewrite that and then solve for the first step.
so
I said,
sore.
oh, y is on one side,
Like
and
my
x
arms
on
are
the other.
sore, my legs are sore.
So I'd subtract
My
out
arms are
the
sore.
y
Everything is sore.
times x plus 1. I would divide by the y and then multiply by the dx. That's what I get here, okay?
Period.
If I factor the x out, because it's easier to do the integration is fine, it doesn't really matter. And then they take e to both sides. And since c is a constant, it doesn't have to be plus, it can be plus or minus depending on which force is y is positive. Your initial condition, negative 2, 1 is the initial condition here, right? So then it's,
There's no way that's how you do it.
boom.
That's one problem.
Yeah, there's no way.
So apply the initial condition
Dude,
there,
this is
replacing
exhausting to do.
x with negative 2, making y
There's
1.
no way.
You can then
And
solve
you
for
have to do
c,
that. There has to be some.
which in this case is e to the 1/2.
Our test is gonna take us 3 days.
And plug it back in, and again, combine the like terms. I guess they did like this because the 1 here can be combined with 1 here. This is acceptable, but not elegant, it's more elegant on that
I
side.
understand.
Questions, please?
I don't really understand 16. But then I understand 16.
Who asked for 17?
Um,
Yeah, so keep, did you get this one here? And did you simplify it all the way, or what happened
Yeah,
there?
like
What can you share?
Where's my homework? Oh my god. I was like, where's my homework, bro?
Yeah, fine.
Plus c is equal to natural log y.
Right, right.
Took the, or I multiplied by Euler's constant, and I got c times e to the negative 1/2.
Take 1/2, right, exactly. That's fine, that's fine.
But I think I messed
Oh
up
my
when I
gosh, our
tried
test is
putting
in 2
in
days. Fam, this is
x
crazy.
as negative 2.
This is
So
on Friday.
Yeah.
y is equal to c
Like,
e
the study
to
doesn't
I
negative
understand 6-2,
2
but not 6.
plus 2, which is
No, I
0.
understand
So
these.
that's
I
why I
don't
messed
understand.
I understand 6-2,
Where'd you plus 2
but I
from?
don't remember.
Oh,
where
the
my-
original position there. Plugging in negative 2, I get 4,
don't even know
5
what my
last
homework
4
is.
is 0, yes. That's interesting.
Yeah, so I don't know what happened.
Let's see if I
Ah.
remember how to do
You
this.
said when you plug in the particular solution at negative 2,
This kind
you
of
get
makes sense, but honestly, I was
x
really
rows
just
4
bored.
That
plus
makes
2
sense to
times
me,
negative 2
because
is
it's
negative
just
4. So this would be 0, right? But that means 0 is 0, 1, 0.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, very good, you're good.
Yeah. I didn't-
No, I just want
Yeah,
like
I
a free
did the same thing when I
version.
was saying, well, 0, that's not 0, it's 1. Maybe 0 is 1. Questions? Cool. Alex, 19 Alex. Okay. Well, that's no problem. Like the
It's
first
starting
one,
to
go for it.
restrict me.
So it's
Should I
y
find a
times
new
1
one?
plus x squared times dy
I
over
do
dx
it on
minus
college paper.
x times 1 plus y squared equals 0.
This is
So
making me
I
want to
just
die.
added that second part over to the other side, and then put y with y
Copy my
back to
entire
the
record
parentheses and integrated. So I got 1/2 ln 1 plus y squared equals 1/2 ln 1 plus x squared plus c. And then I put the 1/2 into the natural logs to make it square root as the exponent. And then I did both sides to the e and got just the square root of 1 plus y squared equals c times the square root of 1 plus x squared, and then squared both sides. C squared is just still c. And got y squared by itself. I just kept it as y squared because y equals the square root of 3, so that would be easy. I got c equals 4, plug it in, simplified it.
Gotcha. Hey guys, if you left it like this, if you left it like this, what would C be now? Well, C is 4. Before you took the square, it would be 2, right? Completely different C. You're also right. Because that was your equation. Plugging in this condition at this point, you would have C equal 2. So it depends on where you end up. How much simplification to determine the actual C value. So when you're checking your work, okay, go back to this one, go back to calc back. Do not go back to final answer by hand, because it may be different. You still could have a right answer, okay? Questions about
Me
numbers?
doing this, when I would slide over, I'd be like, oh, okay, well, that's how you do that. And then I just check each one.
Oh, I love your black and white difference.
Thank you.
All right, we're good? Cool, you okay? Onward, what's the next one?
Dude, this new lip gloss I've been wearing completely
51
burns my
odd
lips,
sheets,
like, it's
Mr.
kind of
Challenge.
crazy.
51.
There's like a soothing one.
What's 51 asking
a
for?
hydrating one.
Oh boy, it's the float fields. Yay, float fields.
Lumber, and the soothing
What's it asking
one
for?
burns, like,
So sketch a few solutions to the differential equation of the slope field, and then find the general solution analytically. Print the enlarged copy on a graph and go to the website. They want you to graph it. Nasty. In other words, you could have done that, instead of doing that, what could you have done on the what? Graphing calculator, right? Be graphing
Yeah.
calculator. So 51, we're given dy over dx equals 4 minus y squared. I don't understand, they give you the float field, right?
for the past 2 days, every time I arrived at the gate, Luke was right behind me, and I'd be like, really?
Yeah,
She
yeah.
lived here.
There's no initial conditions, so you just plug in a couple, right? Okay, cool. That's interesting. So 51.
Yeah, right? Recycled bottle with cap on.
51.
I'm
Yeah,
forgetting
so they do, they,
ordered and
couple of graphs there that plug in. You can plug in numbers. For example, I'd plug in x equal to 0, y equals 0. That'll give you this graph here. Plug in -1 for x, to -2 for x, and you get the different c values, right? So I'd solve for this first, and then plug in, and then graph it. That's what I would do, to be honest with you. I know the flow rate gives you an idea about what it looks like, but I'm not a big fan of just solving for the generic function, then plugging in x equal to 0, x equal to -1, x negative 2, or maybe 1 and 2, whatever you want to plug in to get the good deal for the straight.
we have to change the thumbnail.
Okay.
How do you do that? You click on
Questions?
the 3 dots.
On 51, we good?
Wait, 3 dots. Okay.
It's kind of vague, you're looking for some basic
Okay, never mind. Go to
structures based on
customize
flow field.
channel.
And you can see from the original flow field, it's definitely gonna do these numbers here, it's gonna start here and then ask the top of each go to
Also,
4,
why has this
right?
not been?
Kind of makes sense with 1 minus 4.
Imagine doing it
Or 4 minus 1. So 4 is gonna be your horizontal asymptote every single time.
Maybe
So 4 is this way.
if we went to
Got it?
Wait, if we go here.
Questions?
yeah, and these 3 dots.
We good? Yeah, what's up?
Edit
The integral of dx
title
equals
and
negative
description.
x.
Okay, no.
Oh, it's just because they moved the
Here we
negative from the L and M.
Yep.
just over.
Okay, definitely.
Yeah, the derivative of negative y is negative 1. So the derivative, so the integral of dy over 4 minus y will be negative ln of 4 minus y.
Yes, that
Which should be 1 over, but instead they just made it easier, just simply swap out a negative 1.
Okay, let's see if that worked.
Then it would take the e's and 4 minus y, and that's like y is easier than that one.
When Jesus is in
We really need to start
Question.
like planning.
That's why I said the section is really not
Yeah,
calculus, this is
yeah.
more algebra, really.
Hey guys.
so that's what I look like.
It's my first year teaching calculus, but it's been tutoring calculus for decades, literally decades. I'm old and dirt.
Oh,
Don't you dare smile that way. Don't
That's
agree
kinda
with me.
crazy.
Alex, good lord. I'm old and
kinda
dirt. So,
crazy.
yeah, I can say you can't agree with it, you know what I'm saying? But, I've been doing it a long time, and most of this pre-cal, it's algebra, that's mostly simplification. Once you apply the calculus, it's that, it's calculus is done.
Right now.
Now you gotta simplify. And unfortunately, unlike pre-cal, unlike algebra 2, you've gotta keep it up. You gotta build it, it builds on what you knew. Geometry is built
What
out
makes
algebra
one
1,
thing
algebra 2 is based on
one
geometry,
thing,
algebra 1,
and the
and
other
it's
thing-
all great, it's all in
the
your
other
rules too.
thing-
So you're being graded on it.
dude,
The
this
thing.
is just all.
Questions? So I still don't know what they're talking about with regard to what's simplified, right?
It's like,
No
look at the
negative exponents.
TOKs.
What is that answer, guys? Y equals 4 plus c to the what? E to the what? Negative x. I would see over e to the x. I wouldn't write that down, so no negative exponents. I don't know what they're considered simplified, to be honest with you. No fractions? C over here, or over there? I don't know. Is it in the X button? No, I don't know. So, yeah, I'll be flexible on the grading. I'll be taking this one.
I'm so glad when they start recording.
Questions?
It's like so crazy now when it starts. The police officer like.
57.
I'm gonna
Keith.
do my lip color.
We believe in you, Keith. 57.
So you have a question regarding half-life, so first thing you gotta do is solve the K. And so it's just natural log of 1/2 divided by the half-life of radium, which would be 1599. And you should get negative 4.33 times 10 to negative 4. And the negative is because it's decreasing time. And then you plug that in as your K, and then you also insert 50 as your time, and you should get 0.979 C. And it says once the percentage, you multiply by 100, and you should get negative 97.9.
I knew it, didn't it? Some, in Algebra 2, they taught us that when you're dealing with decay, it would be negative and key K would be positive. It would be the rate of decay would be a positive rate. So be careful with that one. I think in calculus, it's always going to be positive K, and K is negative. That would be negative. So that's the only take on that. Awesome sauces. Next one. 79. Michael.
Thanks, Michael.
So we're looking for the logistic equation for the differential equation. So we have y times 1 minus y was 36. And then I just like said equal to like the original equation with like no values in it, so I could compare and contrast them. We said k is equal to 1, L is equal to 36. So I plugged those into like the equation like y with it. And we're still missing C. So I use the initial condition 0, 0, 4. And plug in find C, which equals to 8. And I plug it back in.
If you are men
Oh.
and
No, but
at least
it'd be
high
like k
school
times y,
senior
like there's only y on top.
and
so
are
yes,
single, not doing anything, April 12th, I need a prom date.
Question.
So let me know.
I'm gonna say the description. Go to 17.
Wow, we're over. I'm trying to go like 16, but good Lord. A lot of time. So work on your review.
If you have a brother,
I have a question about the review. So, does that look right? Like, I feel like there has to be another way to do that.
Another way of doing that.
Like, I feel like, is this supposed to be like that long?
We have two initial conditions. Yeah, you have C and UK, yeah.
That's right.
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
This is logistic, number 9? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, logistic, usually you can, remember you get K is equal to 1 because it's the structure, right?
Yeah.
So if you can simplify it down to but I'll just get it down to
Okay. I'm also, I have no clue what I'm doing.
dude, I'm not paying to take notes on my iPad. But Chris said it's only $20 per year, but like, do I look like I want to pay $20?
No.
No, I'm just a girl.
No one wants to pay $20 just to get the notes.
Exactly. Oh yeah.
Like it's actually
Dude,
unreal.
I've only done 2,
And it's
and I'm done.
and it's not letting you do anymore.
No.
So
Great,
wait,
time
whenever
to
you
go back to
press-
my app store.
Whenever you press plus new, it just
says unlock plus.
why?
Like, I'm just a girl. That's kind of crazy. What do I do now? What's the good stuff?
This is making me really want an iPod.
I think you should really get one.
Like you don't understand.
I think I'm going to get this one.
I think what you want to do there is to get it in logistic form. Right?
There we go.
In other words, identify L and P. So if I rewrite this and put it in logistic form, the logistic form is K times P times quantity 1 minus Y over L. You identify L really quickly. Okay?
Okay.
So I would rewrite this in this form. There's like 4 or 5 steps necessary to do that, and that'll be it. You're all done at that point. Once you have L, you know what the structure is. Because if you know what the logistic form for the differential equation is, you know what the solution is, right? We all know that. So if you know L, we just plug it in. That's all we got to do. So
Okay.
rewrite this in the format for a logistic differential equation, and then you identify it as
Okay. Thank you. Period.
That'll work. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah, because this one question took me like 10 minutes.
Yeah, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines.
I'm trying a new app called what's it called?
Mine is not.
Literally, what is this called?
Um,
I can explain. I thought it would be more fun on an iPad. Noteful. I think that's gonna be good.
Yeah, there's your L right there. You divide.
No.
You're good to go. So differentiate those, yeah. That's easy.
College ruled. So
That's what I did.
were you here your freshman year?
Like, Hoover.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Were you in IB? Oh, so you had Mr. Walker? Yeah, this is just giving like Cornell notes. And I kind of feel afraid. I wasn't Cornell notes, like biggest fan. I want it college ruled. I think that's dense. Yeah, let's go with it. I know college ruled is 33 lines. So maybe if I look at
Wait,
it.
did you just get a new app?
Yeah. I need one because the other one just said you gotta pay, and I was like, no, I'm not doing that. What is this? Unit 10? Unit 10 review. Okay.
I didn't even do.
Oh, I can have it pink. Oh my gosh, what color should I do
Oh
it?
my goodness. Okay, wait. Wait, can I?
Yes.
Oh, I love this.
That's really cute.
Oh my gosh.
I love it.
I like that. Or,
It's giving girl. I just love it.
or that. No. That one. Oh, wait.
Oh,
Or that one.
period.
One of those two.
We can just do a different color every single day.
Oh my gosh, please. Color of the
Yes.
day.
Yeah. Ooh, that's low. Wow.
There's the one right there.
I think I'm gonna change. Yes, please. It falls like really quickly. I don't know what that's about. I might have to check that in my settings. But I was going to. I want it at the bottom.
Oh.
And I wanted to change something you shouldn't, so that I don't have to. Okay, there we go.
Wait,
That's
how far down does
perfect.
it go? Is that like the whole page?
I think it just keeps
Oh, wow.
going.
You can
Yeah. I want to see what. I just want to see what it's like because I also saw one where you could have it with a margin.
That's really cool.
That would be really good if I was interested in the science I was actually taking,
That's
but I'm
true.
not.
Yep.
So I also like. This. Why would you have a right margin? I don't like that. I
No,
don't
because
like
it's like
that.
whenever you like this, no one wants. Wait,
Yeah,
no,
and
the
you can't
margin
have
is-
both.
Who writes from that way? No one does that.
Right.
Unless you're.
Unless you're like, I don't know, Chinese
Like
or something. That's what they do
psychopath.
in one of those languages
Is it
that we don't
really?
speak.
Well, yeah.
Is that cultural appropriation? I don't know. Is that rude? I don't know. But
I don't know,
I'm gorge.
but
Oh wait, I think that's better. Because how many lines is that? 1, 2, 1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4,
So I'm looking
5,
at the
6,
review
7,
right now.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
I don't
14,
know
15,
what
16,
my
17,
accent
18, 19,
is.
20.
But it's not. It's like Scottish almost.
Yes.
Like Like, I don't know what this accent is.
21,
but it's
22,
definitely
23,
not
24,
Australian.
25, 26,
But I'm just gonna
27,
stick with it.
29, 30, 31,
I
32,
think I'm coming up
33,
with a new
34,
accent myself.
35.
No, this is definitely
this
Scottish.
is
Do you hear
longer
this?
than a wide ruled sheet of paper. I like it.
You like it?
I like it, yeah. And you can add one at the
Wait, what is
top, or you can add one at the bottom.
This is good. That's a good app.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, yep. Anyway,
This is going
let's
to be our
take
most
a look.
viral video yet.
It's been already 25 minutes.
That's actually crazy.
Should we do part 1 and part 2? Like, should we end it here? Or should we just keep it
I think it
rolling?
should be like the full thing. Unleash it, yeah.
Just like a 30-minute video.
What is this called? The Unit
Unit 10 review.
Review.
Yeah, here it is. Pull up.
Yeah, so we're gonna
Yeah.
ease up here, so it's Y, and then we're wondering.
Oh wait, that's so cool. Oh. No, it's not. I just messed it up.
I
want to delete this.
don't know what's happening here.
How can
Okay, now that I'm
I?
looking at it, I get kind of confused. Like, don't you?
Yeah. You can have 2 notes at once.
That's beautiful.
It's a really nice app. Download. What's this called? Noteful.
Note. What?
Noteful.
Oh, okay.
Noteful
Let me
on
write
the
it
App
down.
Store.
Just in case I ever get like an iPad.
Yeah, of course.
I'm ready.
Yeah. Okay. Put some tags on there.
Yeah, I just did.
Yeah. Sample. Perfect. And that way I can just start at the top.
Wow, this
And then
is
just hit them with the unit 10.
I really like this.
Yeah,
It's really
me
nice.
too. Me too. What's today's date? The 31st. Black History Month is coming up, just letting you know.
Yep, tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, I really like that. I really like that.
Hey gang, here's a review.
What's that? No, you just saw, like...
Nice. Could use a hook.
What's that?
Oh, uh-oh.
Oh.
I'm really scared for what he said on my copy. He goes absolutely bonkers.
Look at me.
No, Michael. I love Michael
Girl.
though.
Yeah, he's kind of funny.
One square.
Nice. That's great.
What?
Is he like really smart?
Yeah, and he's really harsh with everyone. And he always gives people like 3s
Out of 7?
out of 20. Like he'll give you like a 5.
That's
I'm like being dead
crazy.
serious. He gave me a 12.
Like it's not that deep.
I feel so honored. Like, I'm gonna go hug Michael. I'm gonna be
Period.
like, Michael,
You just saved my
I'm gonna
life.
get down on the floor and
Okay.
be like, thank you. Does that mean Mr.
That's-
Lockham's gonna give me a good grade? Will I get my first ever B on one of his essays?
You haven't? This is why I'm so afraid of IB English.
No.
It just seems so hard.
I'm literally, he harshes so terrible. Or what? He harshes so terrible. He
Oh,
grades
me,
so
oh
harshly.
my.
Oh my gosh. And he says all my scores have been lowered by 1 point. That means he gave me a 5 on analysis and evaluation.
Is everybody supposed to be qualified? I'm a little lost.
Oh my gosh.
This is really helpful.
I feel so proud of myself.
As you should be.
I want to say that I read this whole book the night before I wrote this essay. So, wow.
Is that black or am I blind?
Oh my gosh.
There we go. Okay, let's start. Everyone.
This is wonderful. I just feel so appreciated.
As you should. Congrats. You're amazing.
Oh,
What
thank
did I
you.
just say?
You're amazing
Thank you,
and
babe.
perfect and beautiful.
Oh, babe. Start. There's your problem.
Yep, there it is.
Yeah.
I also don't know how to do number 8. I was looking at that for like a good 5 hours. Okay, not 5 hours, more like 5 minutes. And I was like, yeah, I don't know.
Period.
I flipped through my book, through my notes. I flipped through everything, and I still couldn't figure it out. So I don't know. So if you figure it out, let me know.
Totally.
So I feel so like productive with already having this done. Well, except number 8.
Real. As you should.
So if you plug C back in now.
That's kind of crazy.
Also, look at that.
That's kind of
Look at how many
crazy.
coins. Pardon?
That's just way too much. Like I'm just a girl.
Wow, I'm in such a great mood now.
As you should be.
I didn't think that my essay was that good. Like, I was rereading it back and I was like, dang, like, I don't think I really have a point in this. But apparently it's good. Bless you.
Bless you.
We have 7 views on our first ever video. I like how it's like literally 2 minutes long, a minute and 58 seconds.
I know, and it's the most iconic thing ever. Like I watched it the other day, and I was like, "Why are we so funny?"
And then here's this one, 32 minutes. Also, look. I think I have a sty.
Yeah, put some garlic on it.
Does that actually work?
I mean, it worked for my friend back in like middle school. So, like seriously, like her grandma would always say like put garlic on it, and it always worked for her.
Really? Okay.
Seriously.
I'm gonna try that tonight. Wait.
Hello.
Let me Google the science behind that. Wait. Does putting garlic it says it helps, but they're not expert approved. I've been taking medicine for it because I've had problems with this eye since like summer,
Oh. Yeah, that's
but
like.
not like a sty, like just like irritated. Like I
Yeah.
don't know. And so I went to the eye doctor finally, and they gave me drugs, but I just never took them. So now my mom is making me take them. I always have problems with my eyes. Like they're always like red. And like
Yeah, that time you had like a lot of chlorine in them.
yeah.
Maisie swims, by the way, if you weren't aware.
Oh,
I'm like not in there. It's okay.
let's get closer. Shimmy my way. Do you think anyone's gonna watch a 35-minute video of us talking?
100%.
I guess I can do. I'm almost out of paper. I have
Can I put one there?
3 more sheets left.
It's not.
I guess I'll
I
do
feel like doing this.
6.3.
Period.
If I do it, I mean,
Go on, Calcha.
yeah.
Yeah. I don't even have to know how to do this first problem.
Of the study guide?
Yeah. But I also just don't feel like doing it.
That's so real.
Oh, never mind. I think I do know what I'm doing. Done.
That's a lot.
9.
7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19, 25,
Wow, that's quite
27.
nice.
That's 11, 49,
I feel like I'm learning so
53,
much.
57,
No, I'm
75,
not.
79,
It was just fine.
13. No, it's not 13. I said that this was 13. That's 18. What am I doing? 18 problems for homework. It's terrible.
If you hold it, it'll recognize it as a shape.
Oh my gosh, does that mean you can make a perfect circle?
God is good.
Wow, and look, it even has little rounded edges.
Oh, I love rounded edges. Like, it's my favorite shape. I love them.
And those.
Oh, it's supposed to be an object eraser. Maybe that. Oh.
Oh. Maybe you just have to press and hold.
Notability, did it?
Maybe not.
Wait, that's kind of crazy. Ah, your computer's off.
Oh, well, she's,
no.
I think she's still.
Period.
Yeah, she's still. Down.
That doesn't make any sense because notability allowed me to object erase, but you know, this isn't notability, so it's fine, I guess. What's that? What's the difference? Okay, whatever. Period, period, ooh. Anyways. What's that mean? Nothing that I'll need. I think I've explored the whole app, which is great. Follow us on our personal Instagrams at fenwell.m and
I don't know what my Instagram is.
Macy's Instagram. We'll link it in the description.
Yes. Also, DM Fenwell if you are a senior, are tall,
A man.
good looking, and are free. When is it? April 12th.
Yeah.
Because prom.
Yeah, I need a prom date. I promise I don't bite. I used to though.
What? What?
How many lines am I actually going to use with this? Probably like 2. Yeah. Oh.
Oh wait, I'm stuck.
Okay. At the end of each one, I'm going to wink at the camera. Give them goodbye.
Okay, you wink. I'll blow a kiss.
Yeah. Now, or should we just end it with the bell rings? She doesn't take me seriously. I'm not sure this professional relationship we have can go on any further.
Oh my gosh, wait, can you make it? If you like draw a heart, will it make a perfect heart?
Try again.
Show that to me.
This is my heart as a symbol of my love for you. Let's try that again.
Okay, guys, we have 2 minutes until the bell rings, which means peace, love,
Ooh,
and God
period.
bless.
God bless you. Go to church. If you wish.